Good morning, guys. I'm Gabe from Packserv, and today I'm here to talk to you about the bell locating assembly and why we use it. This is an accessory, an extra part of our automatic fillage machine, and I will tell you a little bit how it works and how it goes. When you've got bottles like this on a conveyor and it moves too fast, it tends to fall and shake. So normally what's happening is the nozzle, it misses the bottle hole, so you're gonna have a huge mess on your line. So we don't want it. So what we do, in fact, is once you got the bell locating assembly in, it will stop the bottle. Once the head comes down, it will stop the bottle and make sure the nozzle will hit in the center of the bottle hole. So why is good? This is good because it can allow your machine works faster. You're gonna have more bottles per minute, and it will avoid you have to wasting time with the downtime, cleaning up, wasting your products. So it works very accurate, so you won't have any head. So that's a good solution that we have here on the Packserv for you. So let's show you how it works.